So the hidden secret to building trust with your dream customer, that is built with curiosity, which I love. Creating titles that are built with curiosity, it really helps out in regards to getting clicks and things of that nature. Hey guys, in this short video, I'm going to take one of my virtual admins through the process of optimizing video shorts on YouTube so that we can increase views, increase curiosity, and making sure that we have our videos fully published and optimized. Fully optimized on YouTube is incredibly important. So this is a daily task for one of my virtual admins, and I thought it might be helpful for some other people. So I thought I'd publish it as a training video. We utilize vidIQ in order to optimize. It's powered by AI. So we're a firm believer that you can accelerate your growth by powering your efforts with AI and automation. And of course, that's what we build our business on, is showing people how to leverage AI and automation in order to drive contacts or move contacts through the customer journey more rapidly and with better results than ever before. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in doing, go ahead and jump over to YouTube, subscribe and set up notifications, and we'll be sure to provide you with some resources there. If you'd like to be engaged in the conversation, go ahead and leave a comment on this video. If you have any challenges that you're trying to overcome, or you'd like to see some content covered in future trainings, we'd be happy to do that for you. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Jesse. I'm the lead designer here at RazoRSharp Networks. And for the past decade plus now, we've been helping our clients optimize their online environment and automate their customer and patient lifecycle. Again, we do this by leveraging AI and automation in order to move contacts through the customer journey more rapidly and with better results than ever before. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the training now that I got my introduction taken care of. And the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you log in, install the vidIQ plugin or extension for your browser. We utilize Chrome in order to accomplish that. I'll leave a link to both the Chrome extension and then also a link to our vidIQ affiliate link. We believe in the software wholeheartedly, so we want to recommend it to people. We have made it a whole lot easier in order to optimize our video content and then increase the number of views on that and engagement. So, that's incredibly important. The next step would be to follow some type of media plan. We do provide a media plan for all of our customers in the form of a framework. It's a 7-parts framework that starts with pre-planning, production, post-production publication, optimization, syndication, paid placement for those videos that are performing really well. So we follow that framework with all the media that we produce in order to make it simple and to make it fully optimized and make sure that we're getting full visibility on or a good return on the amount of investment that we have in regards to time and resources. So we have a VA, virtual admin, that handles our media publication, optimization, and then also syndication. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the process of optimizing one of these videos. This one I published today. I've already optimized that one. This one was published yesterday. So vidIQ is really great. It runs right inside the browser. It gives you stats on your actual YouTube channel. In addition to that, it shows you a ranking based off of your title, and this is based off of engagement. Of course, titles are helpful when you're talking about engagement, titles, thumbnails, descriptions, and things of that nature. So what vidIQ does is it gives you the ability to take a look at how you're ranking across the board. What we want to do is we want to first and foremost log in, watch the video, right? That's important to understand what the content is. We'll watch the video, ensure that we understand the content. And then what we can do is in our suggestions, there's going to be a little action tab that we can select in regards to as soon as the vidIQ starts analyzing that. So we'll go through and we'll analyze the content here. We'll take a look at how we're showing up over in our overall optimization score. So as you can see here, my title looks really good, so I don't want to mess with that. If I did want to mess with that, I could either hit this remix here. Well, this one actually performs better. This is 97. My original title was 92. So 97 is really great. I'm going to select that as one of my updates. That's going to improve my overall optimization score. So what we want to do is take a look at how to improve other items here. So we come in, we take a look at the actual description itself. We're going to say add keywords that you want to schedule in your description. So let me go back to the title real quick. A couple of different options. You can just hit the remix or reload option there, and it'll give you 4 recommendations. Or if you want more control over that, you can go ahead and select the action tab there, and you type in what the video is about. Keywords that you want to rank for. As you can see here, that ranks to 0. We could do, we can type in trust, because this video is about building trust and credibility. How about we do sales? $57. We can take one of the recommendations there, lead generation, dream customer. Emotion. I like to build curiosity in this. So let's say we have lead generation as a recommendation. How about we go dream customer? That's one of the keywords in our title, so we can rank for that one. So what this would do is it would remix the titles there. This one's 97. We can select that one as well. So the hidden secret to building trust with your dream customer, that is built with curiosity, which I love. You know, creating titles that are built with curiosity, it really helps out in regards to getting clicks and things of that nature. So what I would do is I'd come down here and I'm going to look at some of the other areas that we can improve on. It says some of these, this is a video short, so we might not have some of these, but I love to add related videos in regards to our topic. We add it to our playlist. Tags, I don't really utilize tags. I utilize keywords, and then we also utilize, or I want our VA to utilize keywords, and I want to, as a custom thumbnail, you can change it on the mobile app. So we're not going to do anything with the thumbnail. Keyword in the first 200 characters. We're going to type in dream customer. As far as keywords, we're going to go ahead and insert this. As a recommendation. Do some edits. Again, AI is really great from getting you from A to Y, getting you through the publication process of your media production, and then with a little proofing and polishing, you can do a ton of good. So if I save this, what'll happen is I've come through, I've reworked the title, I've reworked the description, I've added keywords. And increased it from 80 to 85. We want to shoot for about a 90 in there. So if we can get a 90 in regards to our optimization score, that's where we want to start. For long form content, it's a little bit easier because we can add custom thumbnails right in the browser. But what I'll do is I'll upload a custom thumbnail for this video and it'll bump that up to right around 90%. But for my VA, the goal here is to go through and optimize video content on a regular basis and get anywhere from 85 to 90% on our optimization score, so that they can go through and get the engagement that we're looking for. So if you have any additional questions, that's all I got. But vidIQ is an incredibly powerful application that leverages AI and automation in order to optimize videos inside of YouTube. If you'd like to get access to our media production framework, go ahead and leave a comment on this video, media, and we'll get that over to you absolutely free of charge. And if you have any questions, want to be involved in the conversations, leave a comment as well with recommendations on future trainings. And as always, make today and every day a fantastic day. We'll talk with you real soon. Hey there, if you like that how-to video and you'd like to get access to our entire knowledge base, visit support.RazoRSharpNetworks.com, where you can learn about how to leverage automation and AI to help you move contacts through your customer journey more rapidly and with better results than ever before.